Hello, Scotland. World. Anyway, this is my cream. I've been asked how to make it. Autofocus pressed on. A 9C bud. 2 jars of this. Throw it in a pot, wait for 2. Put it on at 2. Wait all night. Put it through a colander. Put it in the fucking tubs. And get the fuck. And everything we've used on so far, it's worked. That's the stuff. You just rub it on. And wherever you know, if you're in pain or if your skin's fucked, eczema, psoriasis, it takes that chubby instantly. You rub it on and wow. That's my backy page, I better. I look healthy as my cheese. Anyway, folk asked last night, because I was watching the Dragon. Aye, the Dragon for Wales. He was live and I was like that. I put my phone number on the guy's channel and we were like, just phone us and I'll fucking give you some. Send you, mate, because you'll not believe this, because he looked in fucking agony. His kidneys, and I know just rubbing it on. It's crazy how it works. No, if you get indigestion, just rub on your belly and you get rid of indigestion. Can't you breathe, rub on your chest. Fall asleep, wake up, you can breathe. Fucking insane. Anyway, love and peace for Scotland. The war on drugs is coming to an end. Grow your weed outside. And I don't know how I can never fucking hang up in this fucking thing. Oh, come on, Dave. Bleep, 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 bleep. Go there. Okay.